My old laptop has been dismantled. There you go. These are the wastes, I'll just throw them in the rubbish. Covers the Synaptic touchpad. I've taken the button off, and that's the back where I had the motherboard, hard drive, etc., like RAM and thingy. So everything is taken off. This is just a waste case for these, and this one too. And these are the important stuff which I'll keep. So this is the keyboard. I'll use that later. And that's the motherboard. I'm gonna put all of them on eBay. I doubt whether or not somebody will buy that, but I'll try my luck. And these are the two RAM sticks, 2 GB each. These are the speakers which were there installed in the laptop. And this is the optical drive, the CD writer or CD drive, you can say. And this is the 9-cell battery which I had bought recently. And this is the motherboard adapter which has the SD card reader attached to it. Yeah. And what more? So, and this is the processor, i5 processor. I think you can read it as well on there, i5 written. There you go, at the top here. And what? This is again the speaker assembly. And this is the SMPS fan, which keeps the laptop, cool, and dissipates all the heat which is generated from the processor and all the moving parts. And what can I show you? Right, so this one is the, let me focus, the web camera assembly. It was already faulty, so I had purchased a separate external web camera. I'll just throw this away as well because this is waste. And these are the keyboard, not the keyboard, the keys of the touchpad, left click and right click. So somebody could use that as well. So I'll put that for free on eBay. And yeah, so this one is the heat dissipation. So it is put just above the processor, and all the heat which is generated is basically synced out through this. And this is the WLAN adapter. So all the Wi-Fi which used to get connected through this laptop, it was all thanks to this chip. And nothing, just the screws which are remaining, I'll keep them. And some metals which I don't think I'll require. And this one is just the wire which used to support charging. And last but not the least is the monitor screen. This is how it looks from the back. Okay, that's it. Bye.